Hello, my name is Gnanaraju. I am representing Herbalife Nutrition as independent associate working for last 17 years. So in my profession, a lot of people, clients keep on asking us, why not I lose weight by walking or by doing running or swimming or by, doing workout. So for them, I wanted to, this is what I try to explain. So this actually will be definitely useful for most of the clients. So this video basically to give you answer about the FAQ, frequently asked question. Why not I lose weight by doing yoga, gym, or walking, or cycling, running, or swimming? So to answer this, if it is through dieting, it's strictly no, because the first three words DIE, die, means death. So you cannot do dieting, means cut down the food. Naturally, you end up in losing muscle weight or bone weight or fat weight, water weight rather than fat weight, because our body weight is consisting of four components: muscle weight, bone weight, water weight, and fat weight. So by cutting down the food, you end up in losing mostly water weight or muscle weight or bone weight rather than the fat weight. So that's the reason why dieting is strictly not allowed, not advisable. So next one is yoga and walking. Yoga is a passive burning of calories rather than active burning of calories. Most of the time you sit down and do some flexible workout. So it will not burn so many calories what fat requires to be burnt. And walking is great, but most of the simple exercise. But unfortunately, the amount of food, the calories you are intaking is not matching with the calories burned in walking. It's ultimately calorie in versus calories out, right? So, for example, to lose 500 calories, you need to brisk walk 6 miles, or in 1.5 hours you have to walk, or jog 5 miles in about 45 minutes, or swim 650 meters, that is in 16 minutes, but you gain 500 calories by just 5 idlis, simple 5 idli. So that is so simple. And similarly, one more example: to lose half kilo, which is formed with 10 sweets or 10 gulab jamuns, you need to walk for 3 hours into 7 days at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour. So which is very tough. Eating is 10 sweets is easy, but doing 3 hours in a day, likewise doing consistently for 7 days and at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour walking, very tough. We understand now. So it looks like easy, but walking is not so easy. So that's why most of the people here, many years they keep on walking, but not much difference will be. Maybe half kilo, 1 kilo, 2 kilos here and there. And the moment they eat again, it will bounce back. So workout, there are two ways. One is aerobic and anaerobic workouts. You require to exercise, definitely very helpful. Exercise burns calories. Exercise gives you a lot of health benefits. It creates it produces endorphins, which are very good nature's hormones. They are like a nature's happy drug. And the myth about exercise in regarding the weight loss is people think that only by exercise I can lose weight, which is not true. Example, walking 1 hour is equal to one small samosa, chota samosa. Walking for half an hour is equal to one piece fruit cake or one piece pakora. Or cycling 1 hour is equal to one jam tart, one masala dosa is equal to aerobics for 1 hour. So eating looks like easy, but doing so much of workout is very difficult. So the solutions are 80% nutrition, 20% physical activity, 100% mindset. So that's the reason why we don't suggest only exercise. We suggest diet alongside exercise. Then you'll get 100% result. Also, we are required to change the mindset. Mindset includes that thinking and behavior, sleep and water and consciousness, goal setting. All these things matter. Motivation, everything matters. So you should not treat the symptom. You should treat the disease, the root cause, the exactly point. So point is the fat. The fat will not go down. Point means basically fat means extra fat is equal to extra calories. 1 gram fat is equal to 4 calories. 100 grams of fat is equal to 400 calories. And 1 kilo, that is 1000 grams of fat is equal to 9000 calories of energy is there hidden. 1 gram, 9 calories. I'm so sorry, I given wrong. 1 gram fat is equal to 9 calories. 100 grams of fat is equal to 900 calories. 1000 grams of fat is equal to 9000 calories. So much of energy is there hidden inside. Okay, so 9000 calories, 1 kilo. So much, how to come bring out the calories out. So by doing hard work, our olden days, our ancestors, they used to do manual work throughout the day. For them, not a problem, because the kind of eating they do normal food and they do hard work, that's matching. But nowadays, people are sitting and eating the same kind of food we consider as normal food. This is the main problem. So we consider our lifestyle as a sedentary lifestyle. Most of the time we sit down, okay? We don't sweat all the time and we try to eat food at the same place. So that's the reason why diet is very important. When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. Ultimately, diet plays a very major, important, vital role. Hippocrates, father of medicine, he says 400 BC back, way back 400 BC, let food be thy medicine, not medicine be thy food. Meaning, food should be your medicine. So you should that kind of plate whereby you eat food like a medicine. Okay, but unfortunately, we do exercise, but we don't do the kind of food we require to take. So nearly all diseases can be traced to nutrition deficiency, as per Dr. Linus Pauling, who was awarded twice Nobel Prize. Meaning the food what we require to take actually increases immunity levels, actually good for a lot of things, lot of health benefits. But unfortunately, our food is devoid of nutrition, mostly high in calories. We are overfed but undernourished, and balanced nutrients are not there. Balanced protein is not there. Whereas in Herbalife Nutrition, what we have, all this is balanced, and not only balanced nutrition but also we personalize from person to person. We design according to budget, according to their requirement, actually their kind of lifestyle. So that's the reason why we make them to do healthy active lifestyle. Healthy active lifestyle includes workout, exercise, and we try to make them to be active all the day. So this is the reason why we given you this chart. What people require is a coach, health coach, who will look after their diet and exercise and their habits and personalize them. That's what actually required. It's not the product, not the exercise alone. We require some coach who has to do the diet and exercise and lifestyle habits and behavioral changes. And he also create a group atmosphere. So there you can help you out. So that's why somebody coach, you require to take a pictures, they have to mentor you, guide you, track you, scan the measurements and keep on tracking, and before and after pictures, and taking the measurements and tracking. All these things are required to be done by a coach. See me as a blue t-shirt, I was helping them in workouts, exercises. In green t-shirt, I was there. It's a part, for 17 years, I've been doing this. It's my part of the job. So likewise, we also advise them what kind of food to be taken in the kitchen, what kind of food to be there in the refrigerator, how to eat in the parties. So those education also will give them how to understand the label. Okay, this we also do follow up on customer care, because most of the time people are lost. They require a lot of mentoring, a lot of guidance, and because it's like a lifestyle disorder. Lifestyle means like habits to do the mindset. So counseling and personalizing is very important, vital. Understanding and helping them like a friend, like a family member. Some people they feel very hungry. Some people eat out of stress. Some people eat out of frustration. Some people eat out of happiness. Some people don't know. Just they like they eat. They eat out of killing the boredom. So you require to have proper tasty shakes, and we design and we give you, and we also keep track. We celebrate your success. We recognize the success. We create a healthy community, and we celebrate and keep track. And in the process, we also sell few products, but it's not the only products. We do everything together. We also conduct some competitions and share each other's success stories. This is my story before and after. Myself, I lost weight, and my wife. Result, I'm 50 years, and my wife is 42 years. We both lost weight, and we're looking very nice, comfortably, looking quite younger. And this is our own personal testimony. And not only me, but also we help a lot of clients in our fitness center, nutrition center, wellness center. We have clients who are losing up to 50 kilos, 50 kgs and 40 kilos. So it's a lot of transformation, but it requires a lot of dedication, commitment, and somebody require coach. It's not just only piecemeal kind of workout and walking and just yoga, gym. It will not be everything, diet and sleep and everything. That's what we do. And this is what I'm a certified nutrition fitness co-consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise and special marathon runner, cyclist. And I resigned as a district registrar under Group 1 service of the government of Andhra Pradesh, working for 10 years. And because of my passion, because of my wife, we came into this field, and we are enjoying together, helping people, changing their lifestyle and health, improving their health for the last 17 years. To meet us, this is the Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and website and email channels are there, phone numbers are there, talk to us. And I'm very happy to listen to you. And if you love the presentation, please share to many people. Many people also don't know about these things, these basic facts. And share this video, and appreciate you for your valuable time for understanding this point with us. So thank you so much for being here, and try to talk to the person who has shared you this video. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye.